guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. So in today's vlog is just gonna be a day in my life video of what I do today. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and if you're interested in seeing what I'm getting into today, then keep on watching. So my room is a little busted, y'all, like per usual. Let me undo this thing. Whoa. And Aunt Flo is coming, as y'all can see. Got visitors on my skin, but I did pick up new perfume. This one is the Lancome Idol Intense, and I really do love it. It gives me more of a warm floral than a floral, and you guys know I love warm scents, so we're gonna stick to that. So yeah, and I just filmed a unboxing of a lot of items that I purchased from, you know, brands, and I will try to have that edited for you guys and up today, but it depends on how long your process is. So this video is gonna go up after the unboxing, so I'll show y'all that, or I'll leave a link for you guys after that. But these pimples are really making my skin look so bad. Oh my gosh, y'all. What the fuck? But yeah. But yeah, so when I get to my aunt's house, I'll let y'all know what I'm doing. But today I did put on this Gourmand White Flower. This is by Dossier. This is inspired by Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb, and it smells just like it. The only thing is it doesn't last as long, but I need to check on their website because lately I've been seeing that some of them say EDT and some of them say EDP. So I need to make sure the ones that I'm getting are EDP instead of EDT, because the EDTs do not last long at all because they're water-based, y'all. So they don't stay on your skin that long. But yeah, I'll catch y'all when I get to my aunt's house. Guys, say hello to the ugly dog. Her name is Princess. Alright, Prinny. Look at her outfit, y'all. She got a little bow on her ear. She just got groomed. Look at the tail. She done fucked up my aunt's couch. Look at her outfit. Hey, Prinny. Hi, Prinny. Hey, Gritty girl. Hi, Prinny. We about to see what meals they got here. My aunt done bust down. My dad. We got the vegetables for the old people. My cousin making gravy. Right?
Girl, why you acting like you don't eat vegetables?
I eat vegetables.
No, I make the other one.
Princess.
I made the almond beans.
Oh.
The
Wow, Prinny.
Hey.
Got this going on with the fruit.
Oh my God.
What happened? This my uncle always on playing FanDuel. He think he gonna win. Look, we rich over here, y'all. Look at y'all. They out here busting out the bandos. Look at that. Rich.
I don't want to be in that.
Why would I put you on there? I'm not gonna put y'all on there. I told y'all if y'all want to not be on there, I gotta stick out the thing. Nathan, what's up with the swag, kid?
What you mean, bro?
Okay, man. Check out the drip with the sneakers.
Just chill.
And this understand shirt.
Just chill.
Alright?
Just chill.
Alright, y'all. How y'all doing? Let's see y'all, this dog being so bad.
Yeah, man, they don't know.
Dang, I gotta put a perm. It's a yeah. I gotta put a perm. Girl, you not on there. What's wrong with y'all? Y'all all over here. I don't want to be on camera. I don't want to be on camera. I'm not putting y'all on there. There's something called an edit. You know that? There's something called I could cut it out and not put you on it. Using you for clout. Who know you? Who know you? You might be using me for clout. I don't know. Are you using me for clout? All right, y'all, but I'm waiting for my cousin to come. They always late, once again. And we have to wait for them to eat our food. And then open up the gifts later. Probably at 10 p.m. per usual. Right, Nate? Who we waiting for? Pierre. We waiting for my cousin. This man be taking forever. Ugh, Lord. But I'll show y'all when it's time to eat and open up the gifts. Princess, be quiet. Sheesh.
From who? From me.
Okay, Nathan.
Is it?
Luna.
Well, you check this to make sure. Here, Luna.
Yay, it's a surprise. Pero
From Dad to Pierre. From who? Your dad.
Nathan said from who? Pierre said from who?
No.
Oh my.
It's from Luna to me.
From Luna to you?
Open? Yeah. This is no.
Luna balling. Okay, Esther, go ahead. Help him out. Help him out.
Alright.
I'm taking too long. I just started.
Merry Christmas.
Take it. TT rolls from Luna.
Okay, Luna, you big balling. All right. Oh, okay. Wow.
Maybe I can take this one.
Wait. I love
Luna from Grandma.
Luna, wait.
Okay, this is taking long.
I'm gonna take place at Guama today. Wait. Wait. Wow, Lou, you got a book.
You want me to help you? Siéntate aquí.
I gotta fix this camera, y'all, because it's a little.
Mary from Tata.
To Mary.
Jael from Tata.
Wait. I think I'm the winner today. That's what happens when you nice to people.
Mary from Pierre.
Wow.
Who did this, Mom? El otro.
What's that?
The trash bag. Nathan. Wow, Lou, you have a purse.
Wow.
Yay.
And the cards rolling, the cards rolling.
Okay. I got pajamas. Luna, you rich, girl. Makeup. Yes, ma'am.
You want me to open it? You can say open.
Wait, here's the trash bag.
The guy from Tata.
Okay. Facial steamer.
Luna from Tata.
And you can't all against boo. Let's see what this is.
Put it in your purse. She's more quiet now.
Wow, they blessing me, y'all. They gave me 256 gig SD card.
You hold it like this, okay?
Your mom not playing, kid. 256 gigs.
You ready?
You're right. Then she know what that is. There you go, John. Wait,
Thanks. I'm popping. Show us in this one. Okay, he's sending me to Express, y'all.
exactly. I was like, well, we did get him hella points. He gave me a $75. Yes,
Vamos,
yes.
tira.
That was
What's the card that you got? The book. Oh, yeah. I get it.
Sephora.
That's Lulu stuff.
This is for
Okay.
you.
Oh, no, no. You got too much.
You got another one. You see her purse, Tata?
Yeah, I see.
Let's see what this one is. It's from
It's a good book, Tata.
Yeah.
It's a really good book. I love it.
Jared from Jacob.
We're here. Everybody's here.
Am in the recycle? Well, you put it there.
Non, ma rien, j'étais après. Tu vois, j'étais boire dans la chambre.
Bless you.
Est-ce que Lulu, là, comment tu m'as dormi?
y'all not playing. Oh, period. Enjoy the role play. Yes, ma'am.
Baby boo, yes.
A role.
I had to get you another one.
They
Okay,
both,
Lou,
they
look
both
at
open
you.
it
Look
together.
your bag. Look, they got you a cell phone too. Oh my God,
Who's that?
okay, y'all, here, move.
Who's that?
Sarah from Jacob.
Yes, sir.
Careful for
Cranky.
Sorry, friend.
No box.
Who need to come? Who?
Yes, girl. Nina.
All right, y'all, I got a candle.
Your keys.
Smells good.
Right there.
Mary from Esther.
Look at your phone.
I got what is thing at? Starbucks gift card.
Put this somewhere because I don't know if we need it later.
Some more pajamas. This is everything I asked for. Told y'all, Target got the best pajamas. Okay?
You want to open
Target got the
it?
best
Don't
pajamas.
lose the key, girl. It's on Friday. Open.
That key should open the gate to something. It's a phone. Wow, Lou. Luna got 3 phones, y'all.
No, 2 guys from
Oh, this for me? Oh, yeah.
I got.
The Ash from Jacob.
Oh, Jaden. Thanks, girl. Let it bralette. And then more pajamas. Yes, ma'am. Y'all know what's up. Love me pajamas. Just keep giving me pajamas every year. I'll be happy. I'm about to put one of these on today. Sure. And that rosemary already.
Oh, it does?
Did you get another one? Okay, y'all have another one right here. Oh, okay. Body mist. What are you talking about, Suzanne? I need a bag? And I got another bra right here.
Let me leave it.
What?
Luna from Sarah.
Oh dang, y'all, they counted me for showing y'all my gifts, you know?
That's hers. Luna, thank you.
Good morning, y'all. So I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, so I'm just coming back on here to end the vlog. I just woke up, but I was so tired last night. I took a shower and then I just went straight to sleep. So if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you enjoyed it, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.